So you got your drone business off the ground and finally running, but you're having a hard time finding clients and maintaining consistent income. I got 3 ways that's going to help you and your drone business succeed in 2023. What's up everyone, my name is Eric. I am the owner of Rural Valley Tech, which is a drone photography and drone cinematography company. Today we're going to talk a little bit about your drone business and what you can do to start getting that consistent income flowing. I got 3 tips that'll help you do that, but it requires some genuine effort and some hard work, which shouldn't be a problem because, hey, you're already here. Some of the most difficult part of owning a drone company, you've already got out the way. Studying for your Part 107 exam and passing was critical and essential. And I'm also assuming that your business structure is set up properly based off of some of our previous videos that we've done showing you how to legitimize your business. So let's dive right in. Tip number 1. And also remember, these tips are based off of the assumption your business is already up and running. So with that being said, I would say the first tip would be to get used to reaching out to complete strangers. I know. You don't want to hear about cold calling, cold emailing, and just reaching out to people you don't even know whether they may or may not be interested in what you've got to offer. However, remember, obtaining clients is just as much essential to the job as actually doing the work. So who are you sending these emails to, or who are you making these phone calls to? Small business owners. I repeat, small business owners. You'd be surprised to how many small business owners are actually open to hearing new suggestions and trying new ideas out to market their brand. Some of the industries that I found the most success with is lawn care companies, power washing companies, as well as solar cleaning companies. These are industries where you can get an immediate foothold in, and they are very open to having these new aerial images as part of their marketing strategy. The real estate market is oversaturated with photographers and cinematographers and mappers and floor planners. There's just so much. So many services are available that the price of doing them are very low. Now, depending on where you live at, you may be able to get into the real estate game and actually charge a decent amount for your work. However, in most places, this is not the case. So try to make an effort to reach out to small businesses, particularly landscaping companies, power washing companies, and solar panel cleaning companies. Tip number 2, also contrary to popular advice, do free work. You might be asking yourself, well, Eric, why would we do free work? The reason why you would do free work is to build your portfolio. Not only to build your portfolio, but also to build a network of clients without people actually realizing they'll need your services in the future. Trust me, the more experience that you get, the better you'll become at what you do, and the more people will value the quality of your work. When I first started off, I was highly opposed to doing any type of free work. but the drone industry is a huge industry and growing industry. Even if you can get this much of the pie, you never know who just might call you back. Who do you do these free jobs for? The very same people I mentioned in tip number 1. Landscaping companies, power washing companies, and solar panel cleaning companies. You can also, depending on your niche and expertise, extend that over to real estate companies, as well as agricultural companies and just small businesses that are interested in getting small videography done for their business. Trust me when I say this, free work is better than no work at all. Before we get to tip number 3, I want you to take some time out, go ahead, subscribe to this channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you can be updated when we come out with more videos like this to help you grow your drone business, as well as see some tips and tricks that can probably help you with your skill set to make you a better drone pilot, photographer, and cinematographer. Tip number 3. Do not limit yourself to just aerial photography and aerial cinematography. Also include ground photography and ground cinematography into your business. This proves highly essential because not everybody needs aerial photography or aerial cinematography. In fact, not everybody is even hip to how vital those services are. So by adding the ground photography and ground cinematography to your company, you will open the doors to your aerial services through attaining clients with your ground photography and ground cinematography. Short recap. The 3 tips is, number 1, make sure you get into cold emailing and cold calling. Trust me, it's something that I didn't desire in the beginning at all, but it proved to be beneficial because you never know who you can contact. Number 2, don't be afraid to do free work. Free work can prove to be a vital strategy to the longevity and survival of your drone business. Trust me, there's many businesses out there that respect a company that's willing to give them a sample of their work so that they can make an informed decision whether or not they want to use their services in the future. And number 3, don't limit your business. Offer services on the ground level as well. Once somebody sees that you know what it is that you're doing, trust me, they're going to want to know what you could do in the sky as well. Well, that's it for now. I appreciate you guys sticking in there for the 3 tips that I believe can bring more clients and more consistent income to your drone business. Always remember, let the sky be your limit.